Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today's video is being shot in a beautiful conservation area for our Yoga Fitness Bootcamp. This flow is focused on a strong body, so it's short but sweet, and we're building a strong body everywhere. So grab your mat and let's create balance in your life.
Welcome everyone to your Yoga Fitness Bootcamp Strong Body series. Today's flow is going to build muscle and strength in the core, in the back, in the arms and legs. We'll begin in easy pose, Sukhasana, and just take a few deep cleansing breaths here, signaling to the body to slow down and to be present throughout your flow. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale, let the air out. Inhale. Exhale. You know what to do here. Breathe. And then take one more breath here. Bat open the eyelashes. Bring the hands together, palms to palms in front of your heart, and set an intention for this flow. And then we'll take an inhale, reach up through the sky. Exhale, find your twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. Take a few more. Inhale. Exhale through the center. And then inhale, reaching for the sky. Exhale, twist opposite side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. Take 3 more breaths here of your own. Inhale. Exhale, come through to center. Bring out the hands on either side and inhale, reach the right arm up and over to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale through to center. Exhale, left arm up and over to the right. Inhale, rotate the heart up towards the sky. Exhale. Inhale, center, and let's flow. Exhale to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. And then we'll find stillness. And we'll make our way to tabletop pose. Wrists underneath shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Inhale, drop the belly, shine the heart forward. Exhale, arch the back. Inhale, move into your cow pose. Exhale, come into your cat. Now make this your own. You may send the hips from side to side here. You might curl the toes underneath and get a little foot fascia release. But this is your flow, so make it your own. And then we'll find stillness. Inhale. Exhale, let the knees hover. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Walk the hands out. Curl the toes behind you and come into your plank. Hold here. Strong core. And on an exhale, make your way to your belly. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, cobra. Exhale, release. Curl the toes underneath. Press up to your plank pose. And then send it up, downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Inhale, roll to your plank. This time come into your forearms, elbows underneath your shoulders. Hands pressing flat into the mat. Reach the heels back. And then lower all the way to the belly. Inhale, roll up, cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale, curl the toes underneath. Exhale, press up to your plank and send it up to your downward facing dog. Find some movement here. And then inhale, come forward to your plank pose. As you exhale, draw your right knee into your chest. Exhale, left knee. And move in your mountain climbers here. One knee comes into center and then the other. Keep going. And then make your way to your belly. Inhale, roll on up, cobra. Exhale, release. Inhale to plank. Exhale, downward dog. So move with your breath and find what feels good in your body today. Inhale, roll on through to your plank pose. Exhale, take the left hand, touch your right shoulder. Do the opposite, right hand to left shoulder. And move back and forth here in your shoulder taps. Inhale, exhale to the belly. Inhale, roll up, cobra, lift the hands. Exhale, release. Inhale, make your way to plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. And inhale, roll through to your plank. Here we go. Take one toe off to the side of your mat and then the other. Coming into your toe taps. Keep a strong core here, straight spine. And then all the way to the belly. Inhale, cobra, lift the hands. Exhale, release. And then we'll sink the hips back, big toes to touch, knees as wide as your mat, extended child's pose. Inhale, come up to your tabletop pose. Curl the toes underneath and find your plank. And then we send it up, downward dog. Heels reaching towards the mat, they don't have to touch. Find stillness here. And then bend the right knee, and let's take some knee circles here in downward facing dog. So quality over quantity here. Move slowly. Reverse your circle. Inhale, reach the leg behind you. Exhale, draw it in the center. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale to right elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, left elbow. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, place the foot down. Find your breath before we move to the other side. Bend the left knee and take some knee circles here. They can be as small or big as you'd like. And reverse your circle. Inhale, lift it up, three-legged dog. Exhale into center. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale to left elbow. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, release. Find your down dog. And then knees touch the mat. Zip the legs up and come to sit on your heels. Let's take some wrist circles just to counter all the work we were doing on our wrist. You can take thriller arms by flipping the hands forward and then back. Take a breath here. Inhale, reach for the sky. Take a steeple grip, point your index fingers, and then open up to the right side. Inhale here. Exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale through to center. Inhale, reach up. Just find a little bit of movement here. Yes. And then open up to the left side here. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale through to center, and come back to the middle of your mat. Find your seated pose. And just taking a few moments here to find some quietness, to find some stillness, and allowing our practice to settle into our bodies. Amazing. Bring the hands together in front of your heart. Find gratitude and appreciation for making time for yourself today. Draw the hands up to the third eye, and we humbly bow to that divine spark that resides within all of us. Namaste. If you love this episode, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel today, give it a thumbs up, and let me know where you're practicing from. I'll see you next time.